guess this guy is not going to try to overtake me, since we're going to be down to one lane again. We had a similar construction zone, around exit 57 in Dayton. They're doing some drastic stuff here, trying to fix roads, and we're here at exit 44. Stop that, Dottie. Idiot. Not exactly sure what they're doing up here. I think there's a piece of construction equipment in the lane that's right ahead of me. Okay, here we go. Stop that. Oh yeah, there's somebody, there's the steamroller. Oh man, look at that. Yep, big to do here. I wish the lights weren't as bright. Wow, look at that. Yep. Yeah, they're doing some heavy duty work here.